how to put a screwdriver bit in an Erbauer impact driver with and without a bit holder. So let's say you have some bits like this. This, without a hex cutout, will not fit in an Erbauer impact driver. Even if you pull the collar forward, put it in, see, it won't go back. It won't stay in, even if you manage to get the collar back, because there's nothing to grip the mechanism, what keeps it in place. But if you've got bits like this with a hex cutout, super simple. Pull the collar back, see that, collar back like that, slide the bit in all the way to the back, release the collar, and there will be some movement, but that'll be the screwdriver bit, secure, ready for you to use in your Erbauer impact driver. Now, if you don't have bits like this, you are going to need a screwdriver bit hold like this with a hex cutout. Same principle, collar back, or forward, sorry, bit all the way to the back, release the collar, bit of movement, but it's now stuck in place, and now you can use bits without the hex cutout. This is magnetic, so it doesn't easily pull out unless you give it a good yank. See, look, it's not going to fall out. So hopefully that helps you out how to fit a screwdriver bit in your Erbauer impact driver with or without a bit holder. If this video helps you out, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.